Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a picture profile on your Sony a6400 camera. So let's begin the tutorial video. So before I tell you how you can set a picture profile on the Sony a6400 camera, let me tell you in summary what is a picture profile. So basically a picture profile is a thing that allows you to do some certain characteristics while you're recording a video. So it will help you in setting the exposure, the color, the saturation, etc. So these are some of the characteristics and many more that you can do when you are using picture profile. So in this way you're going to get more dynamic range, as your camera is going to have more raw data and you can pre-process it when you're editing, or you can post edit it when you're doing post editing on your editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. So the downside of using a picture profile is that you have to do a lot of editing in post, whereas when you're using no picture profile you can just get the video in your software and you can do it. But with the advantage of picture profile is that you can get more data and more details of the colors and everything of the video that you have recorded as compared to a video which has no picture profile. So there are different kind of picture profiles available like S-Log, S-Log 2, Cine, Cine 3, 2, 4, etc. So it's all going to depend on the scenario that where you're going to use your camera. So in my case I'm using Cine 4 right now, which I have set it as a picture profile on the Sony a6400 camera. If I remove the color editing that I done already, you can see that the video is now not saturated and it's like more dull. But when I again do the color correction, you can see the video is more colorful again. So I highly recommend, if you are using a Sony a6400 camera or any other camera that supports picture profile, you should definitely go for it. So now I'm going to show you how you can set a picture profile. So I'm just going to tell you the settings that will allow you to set picture profile. I will not go in detail that which picture profile setting you should use or what are the values of each picture profile. If you are interested in the values, you can just simply go to Google and search. If you want to use S-Log2 as a picture profile, you can Google S-Log2 picture profile settings and a list will show telling each and every value for that picture profile. So anyways, let's move toward the camera and I'm going to show you how you can set any picture profile on the Sony a6400 camera. So here I have my Sony a6400 camera. In order to set up the picture profile, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to press on the menu button on the top right side. Here it will open the menu. So here we are in the first menu. As you can see, we got this camera 1 icon. You need to go on to the right side on page 11. Currently we are on page 1 of total 14 pages. So here we are going to press on the right key of the dial pad to go to the 11th page. So once we are on the 11th page, we can see picture profile on the very last of this menu. We are going to go down to where it says picture profile. We are going to select it, and here you can see by default the Sony a6400 will not have any picture profile, meaning that you can see picture profile is off and it's just going to take your video photos in a normal way. If you want to set picture profiles, we got picture profile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got total of 10 picture profiles. Each of them have their predefined settings, but you can change them according to your needs. So you can check out Sony's user manual. They will tell you that which picture profile, meaning that PP7 in this case, is for what picture profile. Maybe it's like S-Log2 or Cine 4, etc. So you need to check this in your camera's user manual. I will try to put that user manual link in this video description so you can take a look. But what I recommend that is you put your own settings along with these settings so that you can get more customization according to your requirement. So in my case I am using picture profile 8. So if you want to just select it, you can press on this select button, but if you want to do some changes, you can press on this right key and it will show you all the different changes that you can do. And you can see in my case I am using Cine 4. Again, it's going to depend on your personal preferences that which setting you want to, or which picture profile you want to use and which modifications you want to make. So if I just show you a little bit, you can see in the saturation I have done some changes. So these are my custom settings and if you go down we have some other settings as well, and at the very bottom you can reset the settings as well if you want to, but I'm not going to do so because I have made these custom settings of Cine 4 in picture profile 8 according to my studio. Again, you can get all the settings of these gamma, ni, etc on the internet, so you can watch any video or you can just simply search for any particular picture profile setting. Like if you want to use S-Log2, it is pre-built, it has pre-built settings on the Sony a6400, so you can just see their manual that which picture profile is the S-Log2, or you can just go to the internet and see what settings to dial in any of these picture profiles to get your S-Log2 or any, like in my case Cine 4 or H-Log etc setting that is supported by your camera. Anyways, if you want to select a picture profile, you're just simply going to press on this middle button and now your picture profile is setted. So guys, in this way you can set picture profile on your Sony a6400 camera. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have made videos regarding Sony a6400 in the past as well. Box should be appearing right here, and I will put some of the videos in this video's description as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.